I was completely shocked, to be honest. I'd never ever expected to get it. So I came, had the interview and heard about a week later that I'd been chosen for the scholarship. My name is Phoebe and I am studying English Language and Linguistics. It's a wider range of subjects. It's like the science of English in a way. I just find it really interesting.
It gives a young person the opportunity to go to university, and it's a local person. It's somebody whose family never had the opportunity or gone to university before.
I've chosen university because I think it provides a bit more support for jobs.
It's a partnership now that goes back several years.
For the University of Portsmouth, we're committed to be part of the community, and what better way to reach out into the community by having our name in the shirt every time this fantastic club plays.
We are two of the leading institutions in Portsmouth in terms of people's sort of awareness and respect.
I've always wanted to work in football, so I think working here and just the experience being in and around it all will carry over nicely.
She'll get the opportunity to perhaps work on some of the journalism projects that we have in the club, embracing the men's and women's team, the academy. It also provides other opportunities as well in terms of us going into local schools.
And of course our students benefit from it, whether it be in sports and exercise science, getting the opportunity to work with the club, or whether it be the many students that volunteer in a match day. Going to university is something that anyone in the city can aspire to, and that's really the key aim of this relationship.
Delighted that Phoebe's been able to take advantage this year.
Always wanted to work in football, hopefully as a football journalist. So pitch side, reporting.